guys, welcome to Summerautoparts this summer. Today we are going to introduce the body kit which is hot selling in the Middle East market. This is a GLS M design. We can find this is the car low profile, but we change the body kits and make the body kits M design installed on the car and looks more luxurious. So we can find the body kits including the front bumper kit, the rear bumper kit, which is including the rear diffuser and the exhaust pipe strip, and we can find the chrome parts is really nice, and this is the M design front grille which is support for the ACC vocations, and this hot amber you can choose the M design or the Mercedes Benz design. So most customers is wondering if the front grille with the Latin M design, that's the one. We have the logo on the front grille. And move the camera and follow my step for check the side. This side which is install the wheel edges, and we can find on the back side. So on the back side we can find we change the rear bumper and the exhaust pipe. This just the tip design, not the real ones. And the chrome paint, the chrome one is make the colors more bright. And one more thing I want to suggest to you guys, if you have a car which is a GLS 450 or 480, you have opportunity to change the electronic side step for the GLS, and you can also make a 23-inch wheel rims, which is a forged one we are selling very popular. That's the pushed one. And on the other hand, what you can do for your GLS, I think like this, you can make the double colors. That's wonderful design. So if you have any questions for the Mercedes Benz body kit design, just contact our sales department for more information. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and hope you like our videos. Thank you very much for your watching, and see you next week. Bye bye.